Alright, so I got another issue with my F-150. Let's check it out. Close the door. All the doors are closed. And it shows that left rear door is open. Okay, so I would think it's gonna be the wiring inside here. Let's check it out. Perfect. I think I'm gonna go a little bit deeper. Let's see how it looks underneath. Yeah, it looks pretty messy over here. I don't know if that's factory covers or not. You can see this wire is broken, and the purple might be broken as well. Let me get some connectors. Alright, so I got two connectors. Let's see if that's gonna help. Ah, shit. I'll have to close the doors. Alright, so I got two connectors. I think that's gonna be the only issue at this moment. Alright, so let's put this together. We'll see if that's gonna fix the problem. And we'll see how long it's gonna last. So everything is taped up. Looks pretty solid. So let's push this one back. Okay. Ah, shoot. I think I should put a rubber first. Alright, so before we push this plastic parts inside, make sure you put a rubber on it. Okay, so I got the rubber on. Now let's push it in. See, that's a problem. Like whenever you close the door, it's pretty twisted in there. Let's check it out. Yep, looks like it's fixed. Shows the doors are closed. So that's a pretty easy fix. I'm just thinking how long it's gonna last like that. Let's see how it looks on the other side. Ah, okay, that looks a little bit better. It's nice and straight on this side. Okay, you see on this one the wire goes inside the door actually. Ah. So it looks like the driver's side might be a little too twisted. Yeah, this side just looks pretty bad. It's all twisted in there. Alright, so it looks like that's gonna be it for this repair. If you want to see some more content with my hoopty F-150, subscribe and check out the next video. I think I forgot to mention that was on 2013 F-150.